guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I have another two squishy packets. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna go with this. This time I'm squishy. This one is the ice cream one. Wait. Yeah, this is the ice cream. I think this is the French fries. Wait, let me see. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, what the? French fries!
Sa mall ng squishy, mas malaki pa to, mas mura.
At saka ano, wow! It's so soft!
Ay, ibang klase.
Hindi mo binidyohan bago mo
Smells
buksan.
good! Yay! Super spicy. Time for the ice cream. Smells milk.
Ay, ito sabaw natin. What can you say about your new toy, Kate?
So cute, so cute.
Ang sabi ng cellphone na test na uwak kumaka.
I killed it!
Sabi to.
Wow! This is
Thrower na.
squishy.
Baga dumating yung isa. Ano ba? Dito kutin mo dyan para malaman.
You know what, Kate? Where it been?
Came from
Been from China.
tubig
So squishy, and this is my first time making it. So I hope you enjoyed the minute. Tell me about it. Subscribe. Bye.